Hi guys, it's Luz again with a short little video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 5-minute sofrito. Okay, Puerto Rican and Cuban mothers, please forgive me, but I'm making this video because I know that young people work very hard nowadays and they don't really have time to cook. So I'm trying to make videos that can help them cook at home so they don't have to eat out and have all that processed food, because nothing is healthier than a home cooked meal. So you will need a bag of frozen peppers and onion. See that? Some garlic, and I do freeze mine also so it lasts longer. And some fresh cilantro. You'll need some fresh cilantro. So then what you do is let the bag of peppers and onions thaw it out a little bit, and the garlic, so when you put it in the food processor or your blender, it's easier for it to blend. And so let's start. Without further ado, let's start. Very easy. Maybe less than 5 minutes. So here's the bag. And if you want to add more onions, you can always add a fresh onion, or like I say, a bag of frozen onion. I think they're like $1.50. You don't have to peel, takes a second. Then the garlic, and I think it's like 10 garlic cloves. And the cilantro. This is fresh cilantro. I planted myself. A few little seeds in a pot, and you have cilantro. In the spring and in the fall, it's the perfect time to plant cilantro. Smell so good. And I put the stems also, because the stems has a lot of nutrients and a lot of flavor. And that's it. That is it. So now we're gonna turn the food processor. Let me see. Okay. And this sofrito is delicious because when they pick vegetables and fruits, they pick them at their peak and they freeze them right away. So the flavors are amazing. Okay. Let me blend a little bit more. Now, if you have a hard time blending, you can always add a little bit of water. Just a little bit, like a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Okay, now I'm going to add a tiny little bit of olive oil. Very little. And I'm going to tell you why in a second. Tiny little bit. See, I used the top. And a tiny little bit of salt. Just a little bit. And that's to preserve it. It's a secret, so it lasts longer. So if you don't cook every day, it won't go bad on you. And then that's it. So I recycle these little jars of olive. They're perfect to put sofrito, because we have to recycle. And look at how beautiful. Oh, I wish you can smell it too. That sofrito is amazing. And I put it in my little jars. You know, And you can make 2 bags if you want to. You know, what you really want is if you have the sofrito in the refrigerator, cooking is so easy. And I do have a video of how to make beans, quick. All my videos is about how to make quick stuff. Because I want the young people, my children, and my family member, and all the young people to cook. This video is for Adriana, Rebecca, and Jonathan. Now you know how to make sofrito in 5 minutes. Look at how beautiful. See that? No peeling, no coating, no washing, no rinsing, no crying. Perfect. I think I have probably another half of that yard here. And then that's it. Salud. Enjoy cooking. You'll live longer. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.